Let the head relax. Press the palms towards each other as you reach the knuckles to the sky. Try not to lock the knees back. If you're very flexible, give them a baby bend. And press through the outsides of the feet. And release the hands to the back and down to the ground. Inhale, halfway lift. Hands to the hips, press up, rise. Heels in, toes out. Inhale, reach. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Let's hold for a breath. Inhale, stretch. On your exhale, turn your left toes in, your right toes out, and open up for warrior two on the other side. Knee is on top of the ankle, right toes to the back of the mat, left toes slightly in. Strong and fierce like a warrior. Inhale, stretch the right leg. Exhale, lower. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, lower. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, lower. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, come on up. Turn right toes in. Exhale, forward fold. This time, arms release. Grab a hold of opposite elbows and just kind of sway the body side to side. Switch elbows again, sway side to side.